What's going on, traders? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, doing a quick recap on OWLT. This is something that I called out this morning in chat for everybody. One of those trades that just connected perfectly. I've got three positions that are on the go at the moment that are all following the same strategy and approach as OWLT. But this one was just that stock that hit and connected very, very quickly with its levels. And OWLT is what we're talking about right here, right now. And what went on with this particular stock was I was watching the chart, watching dark pool prints, watching block trades. Everything came together. Chart was looking nice. Block trade was there, listed in the dark pool. This thing connected, and it simply dropped like a rock. You could see that there was a rising wedge forming a bearish flag. There was this support level or intraday low slash support that I was looking at. 785 was the number for it to crack. Volume stepped in, stepped down, consolidated a little bit with a floor at about 765. So there's about a 20-cent move there to the downside. And then it started to unwind very, very quickly throughout the day. Now, this thing did close much lower, down at 650. This was an optionable stock, so I shorted it with puts. I want to say it was September. Okay, so early September. I don't have my account open in front of me, but it was early September. $10 puts is what I was using. So the strike was $10, and then this thing really, really ramped up. I was a little bit sketched out about the spreads. They were opening and closing, and then when this thing really connected, they moved very, very nicely. Now, the thing was on this one, I actually put a limit order to close this position out at a really lofty goal. I think I was in at about 180. It was about 180 is what I bought the puts for. And I had a 350 goal to get out of this. That got hit. So this thing ended up being a very, very big, quick, fast-moving intraday play. I'm going to do a full review on this, post it in the members area. But for now, that is OWLT. I got three other positions that are on the go right now. And as they work out or fail, I'll post videos just to review and let you guys know where I'm at. But today, this was up substantially. On the put option side, you can see over here, top right-hand corner, this thing shed 27% in value today, down 2.5 points. And when you connect like that, right place, right time, and you got the right tools working for you, options on these things are explosive. The only bad news on this particular stock is I think there's still room for this thing to go further to the downside. But with that said, I hit my targets and I'm out. And that's the trade, and that is the trade recap on OWLT. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com. I'm going to be talking about trades just like this in detail in the up and coming live event that we're going to be hosting in just a few weeks here on September 1st. If you haven't already signed up, you can do so through the J. Lewis Trading group or the J. Lewis Trading Facebook page. So connect with us, check us out, come to the live webinar, and I'll be locking all of the secrets that I use to trade stocks like OWLT.